station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Ana Cristina Olvera. SpaceX is getting ready to wrap up another successful supply run to the station this week. The Dragon spacecraft has been packed with more than 4,000 pounds of cargo and science as it gets ready to leave the station. Flight controllers on Earth will send all of the commands to Canadarm2, releasing Dragon on Saturday morning. The capsule will fly away and eventually splash down in the Pacific a few hours later, where it gets picked up by SpaceX and brought to California with some of the science offloaded immediately to head to labs all over the country. And with over 2,400 pounds of samples coming down, there's a lot of different science headed back to Earth. The crew spent the last few weeks completing science experiments that arrived on Dragon and packing up samples that will continue to be studied here on Earth. Some of the investigations returning cover topics like creating more effective pharmaceuticals, growing new types of plants for food in space, studying fruit flies to see how astronaut immune systems change with microgravity, and a whole lot more. This week, one of the students talking to the astronauts as part of the Year of Education on Station was wondering how the astronauts spend their time off together. Turns out they're pretty multi-talented, even when it comes to relaxing.
We have a couple of guitars up here, and actually 3 of us on board, myself, Ricky Arnold, and Scott Tingle are all guitar players, and so we like to play guitars occasionally on Friday nights or Saturday nights. So we try to have fun when we can. We do get some time off on weekends, and that's a nice time just to talk about the week, unwind, and get ready for what's next the following weeks.
Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.